Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
And I'm already acting up. You might as well stick it.
Let us start. To do this trend, you need CapCut application. If you have CapCut, click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. Now click on Use Template and add your video from gallery. After adding your video, click on Preview. Now your video is ready. First check your video and export. Now, if you want to add trending audio, go back to CapCut, then click on New Project and add the exported video. Now click on the video and turn down the volume to 0. Now at the audio. You can get this audio from description. Now check your video. Delete the end part and export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.